Hi guys, how you all doing? So guys, it's Saturday night, so I and my friend we are going out. So I just finished dressing up. This is my hair and this is my dress. This is what I'm wearing. Let me show you guys the full outfit. Was the second day I had to make egusi soup, which is called mellow soup. First, I add in my meat stock. Paint my life into a masterpiece. Add in some crayfish powder, red oil. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. And some Maggi cube. And salt. And my blended pepper. Cover to cook. And I forgot to record when I added the melon seed. So the melon seed is already in the pot. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.
I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.